Good afternoon to everyone. That is the last day here in the Hotel Nureg in Olison. So, time to ready and check out. So, ito na guys. So, aalis na kami. That is my OTD today. Yes. Oh, dito kami sa toilet. Diba? Aalis na kami. Ready na yung bag ko guys. Nakapack na lahat. Yan. So, uwi na tayo. Ito yung room namin. Ito yung bed. Double bed. Of course, yung toilet nila. Ito yung toilet yan guys. Shower room. Ito yung shower room nila. Yan, yung shower room. Of course, the toilet with yes, not bad. And mayroon silang TV dyan with a small table and the chairs. Kahapon kumain kami dyan guys with the table. Of course, that is the double bed that my husband is ready to pack. But I'm ready already. All this thing. Packbag lang ang dala namin dahil wala kaming baggage. So, mag-uwi na tayo. And maybe next time, see you. Ito yung nila guys sa labas. Yan. It's nice weather today. Nandito kami sa 3rd floor. So nice weather. So maybe next time, 'di ba guys? So this is it. So nilinisan namin kasi medyo naman nakakahiya naman guys, 'di ba? Kawawa naman yung maglinis sa hotel natin. So ito na guys, naka-ready na lahat ng pack natin, naka-ready na. And then, yung ito ng room dito. Ito yung room guys. Maganda yung room, napaka-simple. And then, double sink siya. Mayroon siyang cabinet. Mayroon din maliit ng refrigerator yan. So, uwi na tayo guys sa bahay natin. It's nice to holiday but it's nice also to go home. So, then tayo ng jacket. Mag-jacket na tayo. So no guys, uwi na tayo. Time to going back home. So labas na kami sa hotel guys. Nag-check out na kami. Dahil ang flight namin mamaya pang gabi. Pero yung hotel, na lang kami. Pinang-extra kaming 2 hours. So, it's done. And see you for the next Olison. Grabe, nakapack tayo guys. Ito yung packbag natin. Diba? Mainit ang panahon. Nice weather. Ito na siya guys. Yan. Ito yung hagdanan nila. So, mag-check out tayo. And then, mag-take tayo ng bus papuntang airport. Olison Airport. Tingnan yung yan. Diba? So, ganyan lang. Laban lang tayo guys. At darating din tayo sa Dramin later. Makarating kami sa Dramin is around 10 o'clock guys ng gabi. Dahil so for the meantime, mag-waiting muna kami dyan sa waiting place dahil yung anak ko sumama namin pa uwi sa Dramin. So sabi niya ngayon pa lang siya mag-pack and then nag-check out kami sa hotel at almost 2 o'clock. So ngayon, hintayin namin dito sa baba. So dito muna guys dahil mayroong music copyright.
Na kami sa room namin and then umupo muna kami dito sa waiting place. Hinintay namin yung anak namin sa kanyang boarding house dahil sabay kaming uuwi from Olison to Dramin. Där vet du. Hej. Ska vi gå den bussen där vi tar den 13. So bye Olison from now. And see you next year again. This is for Olison guys city. So we're going to bus station from Olison city to Olison Loftown Airport. So, ang gandang building guys.
Yan. Old na building. Yan. So, nandito na tayo sa bus from Olison City to Olison Airport, guys. Almost 20 minutes. Dahil pauwi na tayo. Ito yung ano nila, bus. Sitting for waiting sa aeroplano namin alas 7:55 na 3 hours pa kami dito sa airport. Hayan! Oh, yan si Pumayan. Hi! Oh, my husband. So naghintay na lang kami 3 hours pa, guys. Flight namin is 7:25 na sa Tropa. So may 3 hours pa kami. So it's okay na rin dahil siyang Cristiano ako na-boring sa pag-waiting sa boarding almost. How many hours na? 2 hours. Oh, kanina pa kami mga alas 4. Pangkapoy na kami waiting sa boarding namin. Alas 7 pa ang boarding namin. Na-boring na kami sa kakahintay dito, guys, sa Olison Airport to Oslo. Yes! Boring time. So, ito na, guys, yung airport dito sa Olison. Yan, that is it. It's boarding na, guys, namin.
Latest weather reports is light wind, broken clouds, and 4 degrees with a chance of the odd rain shower. We hope that you have enjoyed your flight with Norwegian. We would like to thank you all very much for choosing to fly with us, and we're looking forward to see you on board again in the near future. And all remaining for me is to wish everybody a safe onwards journey from the airport and a pleasant Easter holiday. Thank you.
So finally, we are here in Oslo Airport. So next step, we take train. Sasakay kaming train pa. Ramins. So dito na tayo, guys. Nakaupo na sa train. Pa traffic.
Avstigning venstre side.
Ramen na, guys. Ramen. We are in ramen already. So it's tired already. Yes. No battery. So finally, guys, at home already. Thank you, Lord. Sa wakas, we arrived safety. I'm so tired. So making little bit sausage now. This is for video for now. And thank you for watching. And paki-subscribe. And see you for the next.